Man shot dead in St. James home invasion. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was killed in St. James in an early morning home invasion on Friday, where he was also robbed of an undetermined sum of cash. The deceased has been identified as Ezra Parker, age 35, an excavator operator from the Spring Garden address in the parish. According to the St. James Police, at around 2:20 p.m., Parker was at home when armed men invaded and demanded money. They took the money, after which they opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times. He was rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The St. James Police has since commenced an investigation into the shooting. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.